This is Signal Hounds talking RF, and today we're talking unrivaled value. You don't always need expensive or overly complex equipment to get the job done. We build our devices to include the most important features and functionality in test and measurement tools, but keep things lean by leaving out the non-essentials. Hello and welcome to Talking RF. Sean here with Justin Crooks, Senior RF Engineer and Hardware Designer for all Signal Hounds products. Today we're talking about our products, their functionality, and some use cases. Signal Hound spectrum analyzers and tracking generators were created for a variety of specific purposes. To provide high-quality RF spectrum analysis tools that offer unrivaled value to their users, we build our devices to include the important features and functionality you find in higher-end tools, but keep things lean by leaving out the non-essentials. Justin, why don't we talk a little bit about Signal Hound products and how awesome they are?
Sounds good.
And why don't you give us just like a general overview of the entire product line and what we offer and why that's valuable to our customers.
Over the years, we've progressed into the BB60 line that offered the 27 megahertz of real-time spectrum analysis bandwidth. From the BB60 series, we moved into the SM series, which is now the 20 and 43.5 gigahertz high-performance spectrum analyzers with the terahertz per second sweep speed.
Yeah, that's interesting. So what do we have here?
The SM435C is our new top-end device. It goes up from 100 kilohertz to 43.5 gigahertz, 160 megahertz of real-time streaming over the 10 gigabit Ethernet fiber optic link, and terahertz per second sweep speed. Basically all of our kind of trademark features that we put into our top-end boxes. The BB60D, basically the residual spurious signals in the BB60D are extremely low. I think I've swept down to as low as minus 130 dBm and can't really find hardly anything. Maybe one or two peak above minus 130 dBm. So that's extremely good for a noise floor. And also the SP145, which is an exciting product, goes to 14.5 gigahertz, as well as a built-in GPS. So now if you need to make time-stamped, location-stamped measurements, you no longer need two pieces of gear. It's just one SP145 with whatever antenna you need, and you've got time-stamped, you've got location, and you've got 40 megahertz of streaming bandwidth, and you've got, we don't know the sweep speed yet, but it's going to be north of 100 gigahertz per second.
Excellent. What's this guy?
This is our RFS44. It's with the SM200 and the SM435, we have a GPIO port. And we always intended for that to be able to control something like an RF switch, because you have several logic control lines that can even provide power. And so what we did was we finally got around to, instead of making our customers solve the problem themselves, we've solved it for them. You can cable directly from the SM200 or 435 to the RFS44, and you've got 4 input ports. It's rated to 44 gigahertz, and because it is a direct control from the FPGA inside the SM200, and the switch we selected has about a 3 nanosecond rise and fall on the actual RF signal. It enables a lot of neat tricks. Pseudo Doppler and that sort of thing, or if you've got polarity testing that you've got to do on an incoming signal. It's an enabling technology because the signal doesn't have to last very long for you to be able to capture it in from several different places, or several different antennas, several different orientations of antennas, or if you're simply spinning through 4 elements on an antenna doing pseudo Doppler.
Well, thanks again for joining us today, Justin.
Thanks for having me.
Really appreciate your insight into why we offer the unrivaled value, and thank you for a sneak peek into some new stuff coming up. Signal Hound designs and builds high-performance real-time USB-powered spectrum analyzers and tracking generators that offer unrivaled value in RF test and measurement technology. Our products provide the quality and accuracy required whether you're a hobbyist, commercial, or military user. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and if you have any questions for Justin, please feel free to leave them. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.